Well, good morning. Today is day 5 in the Colorado adventure, and we have another great day for activities. I started the day out with a sunrise shoot. It's just beautiful and calm and peaceful. Later today, I'll be doing the bike ride into Buena Vista, a 7-mile down road adventure, and go do some shopping and check out some of the shops. This afternoon, I'll be heading over to the hot springs and hopefully enjoy some warm water to relax those muscles from all these hiking adventures we've been doing.
Jack started the morning sunrise reflecting on God. Dwight had similar thoughts, but he also was thinking about how he could catch a fish. The morning bike tour to Buena Vista was almost as good as having an electric bike. Very little pedaling, and we had lots of fun going high speeds downhill. On the bike tour, we stopped on a bridge and had that picturesque Colorado scene, someone fly fishing, and the beautiful streams and mountains. Once we got into town, we did a little walking around, checked out the shops, and even went to an ice cream store.
Here I am at the hot springs. Water's very comfortable, relaxing for the muscles. Mount Princeton is right behind me. It's a great day watching kids come down the slide. Tried once myself, but almost lost the contact, so I'm not doing that anymore. But it's a lot of fun.
Okay, I lied. I took my GoPro and went down again, and I had a lot of fun on that water slide. A shout out to 2 Vietnam vets, Andrew and Jim, who I met at the pool. It was great trading stories. The hot springs had the classical river rock areas where you could sit in the water and feel the hot water soothing your muscles. Dwight went golfing on a golf course. It's at the highest altitude in North America. We always ate at the notorious Table 3. Tonight we enjoyed smoked ribs. Delicious. And the perfect day ended by catching a rainbow trout fly fishing. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please hit my subscribe button and you'll be notified. Stay tuned for more adventures.